Hey guys, today I'm making a yellow slime. Here's my glue. Here's my shaving foam, and here's my detergent, and here's for the mix. And this is that I made last day. It's so very stretchy. And here's my bad boy pajamas. Okay, I'm gonna make another slime. But wait, you need to subscribe our all video and comment down below. Comment down below if you could make only original slime. I didn't make original slime because my mom said only the fluffy slime. But wait, I make original slime and spread it out. Go inside. And the next one is the shaving foam. Oh, there's some more glue. Why? Here's your family back. What? Oh. The glue is so very sticky. I like this one. If the yellow is the beautiful one, the yellow painting. What's up? Look at that color, guys. think I need the Ariel detergent. Hey! Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god. Please make this one.
Ano na to?
Go, please, go, 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 go away, go away, go away. It's a little bit sticky, guys. Maybe we can put a manual detergent. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, there's more glue, but yeah, it's okay. At least we have a glue. Did you see that, guys? I said to you, there's a lot of glue in here. I need more glue because if I... Oh, I think this is a gooey slime or not a gooey slime. Oh. I'm gonna put more shaving foam. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Oh. Nope, it's a little bit sticky. Yep, it's a little bit sticky, guys. I need more Ariel detergent. It almost fall. It's not really stretchy, but I like it. You can have this glue if you want. Baba little pink slime. Or a bad boy slime. I always said a bad boy. Shut up. Okay. More. Make it faster. If I can. It's not really sticky, but I need to dump this. Dump it. I think the nicer one is the yellow. I don't really know because I made one before, but not a fluffy slime. my hand. Why? Oh. Oh no, oh no, 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 please, no, no. No! No! I know, guys. It will not make a slime. Nah, just kidding. Oh yeah, it's not gonna make a slime. No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna make a slime, guys, because I put on a lot of oil detergent. Because that was super sticky, guys. Go away from my hands. Wait, I'm gonna make a bubble. Oh. No. If I can make a bubble. Yes! It turned a slime. Bye, guys. Good. Bye!